What up, you guys? Welcome to today's vlog. So today we're going to be making a to-do list. It's Monday and I have a ton of stuff that needs to get done this week. And I'm also trying to utilize my planner, digital planner more. So I'm gonna make a to-do list in my planner of stuff I need to accomplish today, and then just things overall this week that I would like to get done. And then we're gonna come back, go over those things, and go from there. Hi guys. Okay, so I just finished my to-do list for the week, really, and I will link this planner down below. It's not one that I created, it's one I bought from Etsy. I do have a free one on my Shopify store, so if you're interested in like just getting into digital planning, you can go check that one out. It's free to download, and it's in the freebie section. I'll link that below, but I'll also link this one here as well if you're more of like a minimalist girl. This is a perfect planner for you, so I will, like I said, put it in the description box below. But I need to clean up. As you guys can see, I just moved into this apartment about 3 weeks ago, so I'm still unpacking. And I don't know if you can see the like green tags in the back. So I organized kinda my makeup, but I need to go in and put clear labels on those and take the green ones off. So I need to get that taken care of. That's minor, but it's just something that's on the list. I need to unpack, clean up. I have a bookcase for my closet, which is a hot mess express right now. So I need to put the bookcase together. I want to design a March wallpaper slash vision board, just because I feel like if I'm constantly looking at it, it might inspire me to work on some of my goals. Speaking of goals, today is, because it's March, it's the end of the first quarter of the year. So I want to go through my March quarterly goals, or my quarterly goals, and see which ones I hit through January, February, and March, or that I need to work on this month, which ones I'm not going to be able to hit at all, most likely, and need to be pushed to the next quarter. And then just like some monthly goals for this month itself. So I need to do that. I need to finish my hair. I started, so these are crochet braids, and I started the install process, but I have not finished it. So I need to finish the install so then I can style it, because right now she's very voluminous and big, and I don't know what style I want to go for, but I do want to get something done to it because I'm tired of just being crazy like this. I want to do some self-care, so I need to do a face mask. My face has been breaking out. I need to do some lashes. I want to break down the extra moving boxes that I have, because I have some that are in my living room that I need to break down, so I need to do that. I want to work on a April digital sticker kit. I didn't do that for March. I did one for February, but I didn't do one for March just because of the chaos of moving. So I want to do a April sticker kit. And I think I said this, but if I didn't, I want to organize my closet, which I have like a thing to put in it, but I just need to organize the closet overall anyway. So a lot of things to get done, and we are going to work through them. I think today I really want to do my hair, just because like when you look good, you feel good. So I really want to focus on getting my hair installed, or finished install, and then I want to do my goals. That way I kind of have a trajectory for the week. So goals, wallpaper, that sort of thing I want to get done today, and then we'll see where we end up. Good morning, you guys. So it is Tuesday, and I'm getting ready to get a shower, and then I'm going to clean my apartment because they are supposed to be delivering my washer and dryer tomorrow, and I don't know what time they're delivering it, so I want to make sure I get the apartment clean before they get here. So I've got some dishes to wash, I've got to take the trash out, I need to sweep the floors. It's just a list. So I'm gonna get a shower first and then clean, and then yeah, we'll go from there. What up, you guys? Okay, so the maintenance routine going well. I'm already feeling myself feel better. I am in the process of curling my hair. Well, actually I'm waving it, but I decided I want to go ahead and do my lashes because I don't want them to be wet when I'm trying to go to sleep tonight. So I'm going to be using the Volscara Studio kit. What do I want to use these or now? I think I'm gonna use those. I'm gonna use the ones in the kit and we'll see what happens. I have the light left because I did a set before. So I have those and I have these that I got off Amazon that I was planning to use. I may still, I don't know. Okay, so I realized that I took the little clip last night of me going to Bible study, but didn't give any context, anything like that. So some background here. My aunt actually invited me to a Bible study at her church, or really it was like a small group, and it was for singles, which technically I'm not single, I'm in a relationship, but it's for anybody that's not married. So I went with her to that and it was really good. They were reading a book, Single Isn't Second Best. So I like skimmed the chapter before the service, before the like session, and it was talking about idolizing marriage. And it just, when I tell y'all, listen, if this is a heel that I'm willing to, this is a heel. Okay, this is one of the things that it took me a very long time to get to the place where I'm at, where I'm kind of just like at peace. Like if marriage happens, marriage happens. If not, it doesn't. Like, and I'm okay with it because either way, it's God's will for my life, and I'm secure enough in that. But I have noticed, like, the more at peace with the situation I get, the more agitated people in the church seem to be. Because it's like, well, why aren't you married? Well, what's wrong? You know, why don't you have, like, before I had a boyfriend, well, why don't you have a boyfriend? Are you dating? Da-da-da. Like, it was just constantly being made to feel like something was wrong with me. Like, I myself was not enough. And it's like, it's very frustrating to me as a individual who, you know, especially like in the age bracket that I am, like we were taught, you know, go to high school, graduate, go to college, find a man, get married, settle down, have babies. And then we've kind of seen this shift with those behind us. It's kind of just like, you don't need a man to make you happy. And even older women, I feel like now, I'm gonna start rambling. I'm gonna stop in a minute. But even older women, like a lot of them you see who are either divorced or their spouses have died, you know, they are trying to communicate to the younger women, hey, like you don't need a man to make you whole. Like you need to be able to survive on your own, because some of these men out here, that's all I'm gonna say, some of these men out here, and I think that it is crazy that in this day and age, we have people in the church that are trying to push something that you don't know is God's will for their lives onto other people. Craziness. So it was good. I got to say my little piece last night in the session, and I was happy about that. It did inspire me to pick up my own book here. And actually, I've had this for a while, and I said I was going to read it, and I didn't. And I said I was going to start it at the beginning of the year, but I think I'm just going to start it now. So backstory for this book: a few months back, I was thinking like, man, I really want to try to like challenge myself to read the Bible in a year, the Bible in 52 weeks. And I remember a long time ago hearing about this book. It might have been when it was like first published. So So I don't know, but I remember thinking about this book, and no sooner than I thought that, I went into Five Below and they had this book in there, and I was like, oh my gosh, like, so of course I got it, because why wouldn't I? And then when I went into Ollie's, which is like this, I joke that it is where stuff goes to die, because a lot of the stuff that you see in there are items that have been discontinued from major retailers, but they haven't quite been pulled off the shelves. So I got this book here, and it just like spoke to me. I really already have a number of Bibles. I mean, you can never have too many, I don't feel like, but growing up in my household, like, you had a Bible, and then I got one when I graduated college, and I got another one for Easter. So I have like probably 6 or 7 Bibles at this point, but this one just spoke to me for some reason. So I'm going to use this with this to do this Bible study, and I've decided I'm going to start it in April 1st. I'm going to start this just because, like, I really do want to take my walk with Christ seriously, and why not, you know, why not? So anyways, I am going to go get ready for work because I've got to work today, and then I need to pack up my stuff because I'm gonna go home to my parents' house and get some more stuff so I can bring it down here to my apartment. Hi you guys, so it's Friday and I am at my parents'. I just got in. I'm actually going to end up ending the vlog probably here, just because on my way home, my mom did call and let me know that we had a death in the family. So there's really not, like, the vibes are just not there to keep filming right now. Also, there's just not a lot going on at home. I mean, there's stuff going on, but there's not a lot that I feel like anybody would be interested in seeing. So luckily, I did bring my computer, so kind of in the downtime and to keep myself distracted, I'm going to work on some digital stickers. But yeah, I just didn't want to end the vlog off without, like, kind of giving an explanation as to what's going on. So, you know, it is what it is. And I will see you guys next week.